So today I'm going to be sharing with you an update for my Child of the 80's project pan. So this is a Fantastic Ladies project and it was created by Ceylan. Sorry if I look a little disheveled today and I sound a little funny. I'm still getting over that cold I got. It's definitely better today. Yesterday I was hacking up a lung though, so that was not fun. And I did take the at-home COVID test just to like double, triple, quadruple check to make sure that it wasn't that. I took one yesterday and the day before yesterday and they both came back negative, so just an annoying head cold. Hopefully it'll be gone soon. Definitely don't miss the days of getting colds, but it is what it is. At least it's not COVID. Okay, anyway, so for this update I do have two things rolling out. So the first one is for the prompt Living on a Prayer, and that is something that is almost finished. For that I had chosen this Lancôme Eye Makeup Remover and I was able to finish it off. I do really enjoy this eye makeup remover. I'm not sure that I would really go out of my way to buy it though, because it is a little more than I'm willing to pay on an eye makeup remover, but I do enjoy using it when I have it. And the other thing rolling out is for Valley Girl, and that is something shiny or glossy. And for that I chose this lip gloss stick from Majolica Majorca. And my goal was to use it 20 times, and I have used it 20 times, so that is rolling out. Now let me show you the progress I made with my other products. So first we have Where's the Beef, and that is something brown or neutral. For that I chose this Laura Geller eyeliner. My goal is to finish it. I do use it not every day but pretty regularly, and this is what we're looking like. So I don't feel like it's gone down a ton since last update, but we're getting there. I'm wearing it today in my waterline. I do really like this. Next is Princess Bride, and that is a favorite product. For that I chose this primer from First Aid Beauty, the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. And when I introduced it, it was up here, and that wasn't last update, but the update before. Last update I wasn't really able to mark it. I couldn't figure out where it was because it was stuck to the sides, and it's still stuck to the sides. When I hold it up, it's still about there, but when I like feel, like lift it up and feel the weight, like I can tell it's definitely gone down. If I had to guess, it was somewhere around here, possibly halfway, more than halfway, but unfortunately I can't mark it because I can't see, but I have used it. I pretty much use this primer every day, so. Okay, next we have Dipstick, and Dipstick is something you feel like a dipstick for buying. I chose these Biore charcoal strips. So last update there was 4 left in here, and there's still 4 left in here. I haven't used any since last update. I always tell myself like, oh, remember to use those charcoal strips, and then I always forget, and then the next day I do it all over again and I keep forgetting. I just gotta buckle down and make sure I use them. Next we have Pat Benatar, and for that is a dark or bright cheek product. For that I chose this blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Dare to Soar. My goal is to use it 10 times, and so far I've only used it 4 times. And actually this blush is not that bad. Like, it looks really intimidating in the pan, but on the cheeks it's not as dark. Like, it definitely shears out when you blend it, and it looks pretty nice. I'm not wearing it today, but I do like it, so I don't think I'll have trouble getting to the 10 uses by the next update. And the last 2 prompts are Trapper Keeper, cute packaging, and Cabbage Patch Dolls, something sold out. And I have these 2 palettes. My goal was to use them 5 times each, and I haven't touched them. I didn't use them even once. I got a lot of eyeshadows going on, so I've been focusing on other things that have been in projects longer to try and get those used up, but I have some things rolling out, so I'm thinking next update, I'll be able to at least get to one of them, if not both. Okay, so since 2 things are rolling out, that means I get to choose 2 new prompts. So let's see what I get. Let's get physical. Okay, Olivia Newton-John. Push It. Oh, both songs. Okay. So let me look up what the descriptions are for those. Okay, so Let's Get Physical is an item that makes you feel sexy or sex themed. Okay. And Push It is a product that you push. Okay. Let me go choose those products. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I feel like that was fairly easy. So for Let's Get Physical, I chose this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and my goal is to finish it. I haven't used it, it's brand new, so that's going to be in for a couple months. And then for Push It, a product you push, so the description listed some examples like a lipstick tube or retractable eyeliner or something that pumps. So I went with a retractable eyeliner. This is from Revlon. This is the Color Stay eyeliner in black. And I think I've used this maybe once or twice, so it's still pretty new, but my goal is to finish it. So that is how much there is. So this will be in for a while too. Okay, so for next update, I definitely think I can reach my 10 uses on the blush. And I'm hoping I can at least get my 5 uses on one of these, if not both of them. Everything else I think will still be in here for a while. So potentially 3 rollouts next update. But anyway, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye!